After the tremendous success achieved by GER Detect in cooperation with UIG detectors on the EasyWay Plus device, GER Detect has completely upgraded this device to help prospectors shorten time and distance in finding the target. The world's unique and only technology that combines two systems with one device. Specialized in prospecting and searching for gold, precious metals, burials, caves and voids inside the ground, with confidentiality and ease. The smallest device with a radar sensing system and a 3D imaging system. Completely concealable. GER Detect has invented the first device of its kind in the world with a single hand grip radar sensor system. A grip highly effective with a radar structure characterized with the analysis of radar waves that measure a target's characteristics. In other words, it is a high-precision dual-frequency radar and a transmitter, a receiver, of signals coming from the targets. A radar system with a special and sophisticated algorithms integration to detect the location of the target, consistent ability to detect and measure small targets in the ground. We will provide you with a detailed demonstration on how to assemble and operate EasyWay Smart. First, open the bag and get yourself familiarized with all device components enclosed. A shock-resistant protective bag made of plastic to carry the device. A 2-year warranty card. A tablet PC enclosed with the device. The device case for the bottom of the leg. The main unit. The device charger. The device car charger. Radar system grip. Transmitter and receiver antenna. Signal transmission cable. Dear prospectors for gold, precious metals, buried treasures, and voids in the ground. In order to ensure an accurate application of our products and to obtain the best results possible, our team has conducted fieldwork demo with a detailed explanation of how to search for targets and precisely determine the depth by using the device in this area. 4 years ago, a team of researchers and specialists from United International Group put a jar of pottery in the ground containing some precious and non-precious metals. The purpose of that is to conduct a real field experiment on EasyWay Smart. How to use the device. First, long-range radar system. Install the sensor handle to the antenna. Connect the signal transmission cable between the sensor system handle on the one side and the main unit on the other side. As a user, you should remove all holdings that may affect the functionality of the device, such as a wristwatch, mobile phone, wallet, ring, and belt. Make sure that your shoes do not contain any metals in them. Turn on the device by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. The long-range system will operate automatically with its light indicator on. You can choose the target type by pressing the up and down buttons. The long-range system has the advanced feature to search for multiple targets, such as gold, crude gold, silver, bronze, copper, and cavities. Please note that the device contains 4 indicators that must be checked before using the device. Power indicator, which lights up when the device is turned on after long pressing the power button. Bluetooth indicator, which lights up when connected to the tablet. 3D system indicator, which lights up when activating the 3D system after pressing the 3D button. Long-range system indicator, which lights up when activating the long-range radar system after pressing the long-range system button. After selecting the target to be searched for, securely place the main unit to your waist and then hold the sensor grip at a 90-degree angle in order for the antenna to function properly. It is essential to make sure that you are standing north to south. The reason for that is that ionic fields are radiations emanating from gold and buried treasures that have been remaining under the ground for a long time and have immersed and interacted with the soil, taking into account the nature of the Earth's formation and its alignment with magnetic lines north and south. If no signal is obtained, change your direction from east to west. From west to east. And from south to north. Follow the signal until the antenna turns back. This means that you have walked past the target. When this happens, confirm the location of the target from the 4 directions. From south to north, from west to east, and from east to west. Identify the search location by marking it as the focus of target confirmation process. In order to avoid any errors that may occur while using the long-range system by the prospector, the 3D imaging system has been integrated in the device to precisely confirm the presence of the target. When the target has been identified, you can capture it with a 3D imaging system. 3D imaging system. Unplug the signal cable from the main unit. Select the 3D imaging system by pressing the 3D button with the imaging system and Bluetooth lights on. Turn on the tablet. Then establish a Bluetooth connection between the main unit and the tablet. Click the Bluetooth icon. The Bluetooth set will search for devices available near the tablet. Then GER 3D will appear available on the list. Click on it. A window will appear for entering the password, which is 1000. Press the OK button to complete the pairing process between the tablet and the main unit. Put the case of the device at the bottom of the right leg, then place the device into it. Close the window and run the GER 3D Viewer imaging application. A list of several languages will appear: German, English, French, Italian, Spanish, Arabic, Portuguese, and Russian. After selecting the English language, a Select the Device menu will appear. Select the device. Here you need to choose the device that is EasyWay Smart. The application will connect to the device. A tag saying Connected will appear. Click the Next button to go to Scanning Settings, which consists of the scan direction, which determines the method of scanning during the imaging process. There are two ways of scanning, either in one direction or scanning in opposite directions, back and forth. Number of lines to determine the number of lines to search within. The number of steps for each line to determine the number of images produced within a single line. Then press Next. Wait for the device to calibrate with the soil and for the first image on the tablet to appear. Take a step and then move the left foot evenly against the foot carrying the device, so the device will automatically capture an image alongside a beep sound. Go back and lift the foot carrying the device back. Take a step and move the left foot evenly against the foot carrying the device. Repeat the same process at all lines. During the scanning process, a picture of the target being scanned will appear on the tablet screen. The image is composed of a grid of squares that represent the number of steps and lines that have been scanned. Example, we have a grid of lines consisting of 3 columns and 10 steps per column, which means 3 lines of scan, and each line consists of 10 images captured. The following parameters will appear on the image: the depth of the target in the ground, the value. To view the depth, press the View Depth icon. To reduce image height, use the minus+ icons of the image in blue color. The 2 red icons are used to make the image clearer and reduce the mineral salts surrounding the minerals and cavities, as well as bring the image closer to geometric formation. 3D icon. It enables you to shift from the 2D to the 3D mode and vice versa. To open an image previously saved, click on the Open icon and then press the photo itself. To save the image in a format that can be analyzed later, click on the Save icon. To save the image in a PNG format, click on Save icon. To reset the image to default, click on the reset icon. To hide and or show grid lines, click on the grid icon. To zoom in or out, touch and drag the photo. The prospector will begin the drilling process to extract the contents of the jar that has been buried inside this cavity, well sealed with rocks and sand in the ground. This cavity has been prepared by the team of specialists at United International Group. What you're seeing now is a real field test to prove the effectiveness of the device and its ability to discover voids and precious and non-precious metals underground with its radar and three-dimensional imaging systems. Rocks surrounding the burial have been removed. The jar contents have been emptied to be checked after having been buried for 4 years. EasyWay Smart, with its sophisticated 3D system, can reach 18 meters deep in the ground. The front range and the long range system can reach up to 2,000 square meters, which equals 500 meters in each direction. It also can reach a depth of 18 meters in the ground. EasyWay Smart device is one of the best German innovations with the CE certificate according to international standards. The device is characterized by its small size, lightweight, and ease of use. This device is designed to be compatible in all countries and regions around the world. We wish you good luck with your exploratory journeys.